Let me show it to you how we can set up AWS monthly cost budget. For that, let's come to the budget and cost management section. You can open from home, or you can come to the top right hand corner, and here is a billing and cost management. Click on that and you will be in the billing and cost management page, and then from the side hand left navigation menu, come down, there is a budgets and planning section. Click on the budget section, and then here you see where is the create budget button. Click on that create budget button, and you can use different template. There are different templates. There is zero spend budget, there is one more monthly cost budget, there are others. I will come to that later videos. For monthly cost budget, this is about you will be notified to the email about when you are crossing the budget limits. Now let's click on that and I will show it to you. So here is a budget name. You can set up the name you prefer. That should be between 1 and 100 characters. The budget you want for your month, so say $10, and then email recipient, I'm putting our support email, and then the scope. Remember, all AWS services are in scope in this budget. Now you'll be notified 3 times. One is when you reaches 85%. Second, when your actual spend is 100%. Say for $10, when I am crossing $8.50, I'll be notified. When I'm crossing completely $10, I'll be notified. And also in case of a forecasted spend, say I am how the spend is going on, say at the middle of the month I have already spent say around $5, and then AWS predicted that the way I'm going it would be $10 by the month end. So in that case also I'll be notified, though the actual spend didn't touch $10. So now click on the create budget. It will create a budget, and here is your monthly cost budget. You can click on that and you can see that if you want to edit, you can edit it as well.